Hey guys, Sander here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make custom blocks for Minecraft without texture packs, which is very cool. It is with a simple generator that will generate a data pack for you, and yeah, they're pretty damn cool, and they work on servers and everything. So I mean, they may be a little bit laggy if you have too many of the blocks. Um, but that is the only slight issue. But yeah. So first we're gonna find a head, custom head on here, or you can make your own. You can design your own and wear it as a skin and add it here. Yeah, but you could also just find a block here. So I usually search for inner layer block, I believe. These look the best as blocks, because they look pretty good. So I'm gonna just let's just find something cool. Actually, I think I found something that was pretty sick looking. You know what, that one. This one's sick. Then we go here. We copy the give command, okay? Oh, there. We go here, okay? So the ID is the tag it's gonna use in the game, which you shouldn't worry about too much. The ID/name, you'll just call it like whatever. I'll call it fancy block, and then we'll name it fancy block. That's gonna be the item name, I believe. This is my friend's generator with my concept I made. His name is Toriset. He's a very smart person. Uh, so yeah, and then we do base block. So this is what block it's gonna act like in the game. And I'm gonna use maybe purple stained glass, right? And you'll remember underscores here. So then you paste in the give command, and if we wanted to say any commands when you break it, separate them by enters like this. So for example, you say I have wait, did I do two spaces? Yeah, have been broken. Yes, and it says I have been broken, and it will summon a creeper. And here it will say I have been placed. Alright. So we'll click on add, and it will add it to our little database here. And we can add more. So let's say we're gonna add a few more. I think I'm gonna add a few more. So here I'm gonna demonstrate that you can actually change the texture or whatever when you've already made it, right? You click on it, and then you can do here. You can type, for example, dropper, and then if you want to save it instead of adding an entirely new one, you'll click on save, and it'll save. As you see, it is no longer a hopper; it will be a dropper. So that is just a quick thing, so you don't have to delete a block if you accidentally misspell something or accidentally do something wrong, or find a better texture. You can of course always change it. So I'm gonna just add one more, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually get it in game now. Yeah, all you'll have to do is basically click on export as data pack down here when you're done. And if you've added so many blocks that you can't see this anymore, you can hold control and scroll out. So now that it's saved here, you see, I have this datapack.zip now. If you have WinRAR, you can just click here and click extract to data pack, or you can just play with it as a regular data pack, like that. You go in Minecraft and you make a little world. Before you make it, you can click on data packs, open pack folder, right? Then you go, you click here, then you drag it in, just like that. And then you'll notice it says data pack, and it says custom blocks - auto generated. And then you can just click on next, done. Then you can create new world, and it will make a little world for us. Alright, so we've loaded in the commands to get the items, slash function, and then we find give : amethyst bricks, give : colon whatever ID we gave them. NC block and a purple thingamajig, okay? So these are all blocks here. Let's place down the first one. Amethyst bricks looks awesome. And even, listen. Because I chose the amethyst block to act as a base block, that's how it works. Blue gradient looks awesome, which I picked a dropper, so we can right click it and open it. Then we have a fancy block. I have been placed. Then we have a purple thingamajig. These look really cool, and these are all inner layer blocks. So if they're outer layers, they will have a little, like a bit of a thicker block. And it will, I mean, it can add a little effect, sort of 3D like effect, and it looks pretty cool on some blocks, but on some blocks it looks terrible because it will slightly overlap onto each other if you place them next to each other, and it just doesn't look good. But yeah, so let's break this one. That doesn't do anything. This one spawns a creeper, so that's nice. This one's just a dropper, and this one's, yeah. But yeah, you can place them, you can do whatever. I think you guys should have a wonderful day, and yeah, see you guys, love you guys, and bye.